Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Sharkzilla Evaporative Air Humidifier number 3045 here. This is from Amazon. So this is a very nice premium humidifier. So this will have a built-in timer. It has a built-in sleep mode. It has a large capacity of 5 liters, which is a little bit over a gallon. It is evaporative, which is a good thing, which means it will not come out and cling to everything. Will not make everything sticky. It has touch sensitive buttons, and it is top filling, which is cool as well. And for those who want to know, the model is 3045, like we said before, but this uses a 5 watts of power, so pretty low power. Alright, so this was nicely packaged with a nice foam on the top as well as the bottom of the box. You also have a little bit of plastic all around it, help keep it from getting scratched here. So you guys see this one is of course white. I have the Sharkzilla there, which is quite the name. It's a funky name. We have a nice top. We'll get back to that in a moment though. Turn this thing sideways. It's nice and small too. It's not too big. Side is just blank. Back here has some vents and your plug-in for the power. Other side is just blank. The bottom has some, can't tell, I think those are just plastic, but they look kind of metal. And then you have little rubber feet here as well. There is the top, so we have all of our buttons right here. Top does come off. It does have a filter. You can of course buy more off of Amazon, on Amazon.com. I like how they packaged all this inside of the unit itself. It's different. So this should just be the plug. So of course it is a good size plug, wall plug here for the charger. Alright, so it looks like we have a few different buttons here. So that should be how much humidity comes out of here, or the fan speed or whatever you want to call it. The power button looks to be. We have a timer, and that I believe will be for low water. Then this is for a ambient light that will be on when you plug it in. There's really no mention of this stuff in the instructions, but there's ways to set the timer and whatnot. But yeah, there is a first look, quick unboxing of the Sharkzilla. I keep wanting to say Sharkpedo, but Sharkzilla humidifier. Again, evaporative, which is good for not leave that film all over everything. Yeah, stay tuned. We will be doing more videos on this to come. Then too, real fast, this is where you would add in the water. You guys can see the max line there, otherwise it'll come out of it. Yeah, and then Sharkzilla did send this to me to make a few videos on, so, and I will of course be giving my honest opinion of it. But so far it looks really nice. I mean, it looks really nice. Nice little white box. Nothing too fancy, and it is pretty decent looking. I think I put that on there backwards. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We'll probably do like a review of this. All right, bye.